Namaste all.
We wish you all a very happy Shri Krishna Janmashtami. May God bless you all with good health and happiness.
On this special occasion, we are going to prepare uppu seedai, vella seedai and aval payasam. Let's see how to prepare it. Join me in the kitchen. For preparing the uppu seedai, I have taken 1 cup of rice flour, oil, water, urad dal, 2 teaspoons of coconut, 2 pinch of hing, salt to taste, 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds. First, I am going to dry roast the rice flour. So on a low flame, I am dry roasting it. It will take almost 5 to 6 minutes for dry roasting the rice flour. This is store-bought rice flour. The texture of the flour should be very fine. If it's not, the seedai will burst in oil while frying them. I am roasting this rice flour for 6 minutes. It's roasted well. I am going to switch off the flame and let it come to room temperature. Now let me dry roast the urad dal. I have been dry roasting this urad dal for 10 minutes now on a low flame. It's done. I have switched off the flame. Let it cool and come to room temperature. Then we will grind into a fine powder. I have ground the urad dal, roasted urad dal to a fine powder, and I have sieved it. In a bowl, I have added 1 cup of roasted rice flour. Into it, I am going to add 2 teaspoons of roasted urad dal flour, 2 teaspoons coconut, salt to taste, hing, 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds. And 1 tablespoon of butter. Now let me mix well. The flour has been mixed with the butter very well. Now let me add in some water and make it into a dough. Just sprinkle some water and keep kneading it. Now the dough is ready. I have used 3/4 cups of water plus 1 tablespoon. Now let's shape this into small roundels. Don't smoothen the dough. There should be some cracks like this. Take a very small portion of the dough, place it on your palms, and with your fingers just move it once or twice, not more than that. That's it. I have shaped the dough into small roundels. Now, after resting these for 15 minutes, I am going to deep fry them. First, let's add one and check. Okay, it's ready. Now let me add in the whole. One important point to note is that once the oil is hot, reduce the flame to lowest and then deep fry them. Once the seedais are cooked, the bubble settles down and some of them starts floating over the oil. Now let me remove them from the oil. Our crispy, crunchy uppu seedais are ready now. For preparing the vellai sidai or sweet sidai, I have taken 1 cup of rice flour, oil, water, half teaspoon of cardamom powder. This cardamom powder I have ground it with sugar. Urad dal, 2 teaspoon of coconut, 1 teaspoon of ghee, 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds, 3/4 cup of jaggery. First, I am going to dry roast the rice flour. So on a low flame, I am dry roasting it. It will take almost 5 to 6 minutes for dry roasting the rice flour. This is store-bought rice flour. The texture of the flour should be very fine. If it's not, the sidai will burst in oil while frying them. I am roasting this rice flour for 6 minutes. It's roasted well. I am going to switch off the flame and let it come to room temperature. Now let me dry roast the urad dal. I have been dry roasting this urad dal for 10 minutes now on a low flame. It's done. I have switched off the flame. Let it cool and come to room temperature. Then we will ground into a fine powder. I have ground the urad dal, roasted urad dal to a fine powder, and I have sieved it. For the sweet version, let me add in the 3/4 cups of jaggery into a bowl. And add 3/4 cups of water. And just let it boil. The water has come to a boil. The jaggery is well melted. Now let me switch off the flame. I have taken 1 cup of roasted rice flour. Into it, I am going to add in 1 teaspoon of ghee, half teaspoon of cardamom powder, 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds, 2 teaspoons of coconut, and let me mix. Now I am going to add in the jaggery water. Let me strain this and I'll gradually add it. Let me add in 1 tablespoon of urad dal powder, the roasted urad dal flour, and mix well. I have mixed in all the ingredients and have made it into a soft dough. Now let this rest. The dough is well rested. Now let's form this into small roundels. Take a portion of the dough, place them on your palms, and just smooth them out like this. The dough has been shaped into small roundels. Now let me start deep frying them. The sidais are fried well. Now let me take it out of the oil. Once the sidais are taken out of the oil, they tend to be soft, but once it is cooled, they will turn to be crispy. Our vellai sidai or sweet sidai is ready now. For preparing this aval payasam, I have taken 2 cups of coconut milk, 3/4 cups of jaggery that I have diluted with 1/4 cup of water, cardamom powder, ghee, aval, that is the red variety of aval I have taken, some coconut, cashews and raisins. I am going to add in 2 teaspoons of ghee. Once it melts, I am going to add in the flattened rice or poha, aval. I am going to fry them for 5 minutes on low flame until they turn crispy. Aval has been roasted well. It is very crispy. You can hear the sound. Now let me remove this on a plate. Now let me add in the jaggery syrup. Let it come to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, let me add in the aval. Mix well and cook them for 5 minutes. The aval has been well coated with the jaggery syrup. Now let me add in the coconut milk. I have used the coconut milk powder. This is 2 cups. Now let this come to a boil. Later we will add in the cardamom powder and switch off the flame. It's been cooking for 5 minutes now. Now let me add in the cardamom powder, mix well and switch off the flame. Let me start frying the cashews, raisins and coconut. I am adding 1.5 teaspoons of ghee. Once it melts, add in the cashews. The cashews have fried well. Now let me take it out of the ghee. Same way, fry the raisins as well. Remove from the ghee. Now let me fry the coconut as well. The coconuts are fried well now. Let me top it over the payasam. Aval payasam is ready. Our festival special Uppu Seedai, Vella Seedai and Aval Payasam are ready. Enjoy! Friends, I hope you liked our recipes. Do try them and leave your valuable comments.
Your comments and suggestions are very important to us. Please do let us know on how we can improve our channel and make it more interesting for you guys. If you like our video, please give a thumbs up, share with your family and friends, and subscribe.
We'll meet you soon in another video. Until then, bye-bye.